Hey, hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a wishlist tracker in Notion, as same as you can see in my screen. So, see you after intro. Alright, so the very first thing that we are going to do is take a new page and name it as wishlist. And let's hide the slide bar and get the full screen view. So for that, click on three dot and then full it. Now we have the entire screen view. So as we know, Notion is all about database. For that, I need a database. So click on slash and then type database. We're going to choose the inline database and we are going to name this database as wishlist. We don't need the database title to be shown here. So let's hide this database title and then let's write down some products name here. And after that, let's add some icon of these items. Alright, here you go. So we don't need the text property. Let's select this property. Instead, we need a different property called brands. For that, click on plus and choose the text type and let's name it as brand. And then cost, click on plus and we are going to choose the number property. Write the name of this property as cost and let's change the icon money. And here we can see its number format. So let's change it as US dollar or any other currency that is available here. So then now we have the item name, brand and cost. And let's create another property called URL. And we can create one more property for note. So for that, text property and name it as note. So let's plug this empty property. Alright, I'm leaving note as empty as I don't have anything to write down now. So let's create another database for the category. Click on slash and then database inline. Name it as category. Let's hide this database title and let's write down some categories name here. Alright, we don't need the text property, so let's delete this. And now we have to link up this category page with the main database. So for that, click on plus and create relation, of course with the category page, and then show on category, add relation. Now we have a relation between these two categories. So for example, MacBook categorized by technology and then brand new iPad, it's based on technology. So here you go, but it doesn't look so pretty. So for that, we are going to change the view. Click on three dot layout and we are going to choose the gallery view. Base content will be base cover. Card size you can choose as medium or small and we can see it's empty here, no information. So for that, let's go back to the properties and let's disable the properties that we want to show. So I want to show the brand name, cost and URL. It will look more pretty once we add photos. But for now, I'm going to ignore the photos. So back to the layout and page cover, I'm going to choose as none. So by that, we don't need photos now. Alright, let's change the gallery view name as item list and then category section. It doesn't look so good with table views. So for that, let's change the view layout and we are going to choose the gallery view, card size none, card preview none and card size small. But you can see it's so empty here. So let's do something. Let's open a page and wishlist show as this section. And now once we click on the technology, we can see the item list here. Also, you can visible more properties here. So for that, click on the three dot and let's unhide the cost property. Now we can see the item list and pricing here. And still there is a few more things to do. So add property and choose roll of properties, select relation, select as wishlist, name calculated as count all. So here we can see how many items we have under the technology category or under any specific category, but it doesn't look so professional here. So for that, we are going to take a help of formula property, write down formula and let's write that items, double quotation, total items, and then you can double quotation plus format and we are going to select the roll up property. So here we can see total items too. Now it's look a little bit more professional, but let's show it in the gallery view. So for this, click on three dot and then properties and here items. And now here we'll find all the details and let's drag it in the left side. We don't need that much details for the category items. So let's resize it or a little bit more. Now perfect. So here we are going to write category and let's make it as heading 3, I think good. Okay, and then let's drag it here and we are going to take a space divider. Perfect. And here let's just duplicate this and drag it to the item list and here write items and then divider. Also here we can create another view. Click on slash and then database. Of course, wishlist, we are going to choose the item list and here we'll go by group by brand. So from now on, you will find all the items under the brand list. So that's it. But before I leave, I want to show you something. If you are looking for an advanced wishlist template, check out the description and you will find this product. Also a free version available here. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.